If you have experiences of anger and you are ready to let go of it, then this is the video for you. So let's get started on our tapping. So you can look and see right now from a scale from 1 to 10, how angry do you feel? 10 being you're raging. Um, and there's no judgment. I'm glad you're here. So even though I feel freaking angry, I accept my emotions and I fully love and accept myself. Even though this anger feels overwhelming, I choose to release its grip on me and I fully love and accept myself. Even though I feel angry and I might have said something that I regret, I fully love and accept and honor myself. Okay. Eyebrow. I recognize my anger in this moment. Side of the eye. It's okay to feel these feelings. Under the eye. I feel the heat of anger rising. Under the nose. I allow myself to process this emotion with breath. Let's take a breath. Chin. I can express this anger in healthy ways, which is what's happening right now. Collarbone. I release any shame around feeling angry. Under the arm. I love, accept, and honor myself during this time. Top of the head. This anger is an emotion that can guide me. Back to the eyebrow. I recognize the situation that has angered me. Side of the eye. I acknowledge my triggers without blame. Under the eye. I process the reason for my anger. I'm processing it. Under the nose. Understanding my triggers gives me clarity and power. Chin. I can respond differently in the future. I forgive myself for how I responded. Under the arm. I release the urge to react impulsively. Top of the head. I embrace the power of understanding and I'm choosing to respond calmly in the future. Eyebrow. I take a deep breath and exhale the anger. Let's do that. Side of the eye. I release the tension held within me. Under the eye. I embrace the peace that will come. Under the nose. I let go of this anger gently. Chin. I am safe to release my feelings. Collarbone. I invite calmness to replace anger. Under the arm. I feel lighter as I surrender. Top of the head. I choose peace over anger. Top of the head. Eyebrow. I acknowledge my desire to forgive. And if you're not ready to forgive, that's okay. I'm open, side of the eye, I'm open to letting go of this resentment. Top, under the eye, forgiveness is a gift that I give myself. And it could be forgiveness of how you've acted or someone else. Under the nose, I choose to heal and move forward. Chin, I open my heart to compassion. Collarbone, I am worthy of peace and release to anger. I am worthy of peace. Under the arm, I forgive others and myself with love. Top of the head, in this moment, I'm free from anger and resentment. Eyebrow, I invite tranquility into my heart. Side of the eye, I am grateful for this peace in this moment. Under the eye, I choose calmness in this situation. Under the nose, I am peaceful and centered. Chin, I radiate harmony with every breath. Collarbone, I manifest serenity in my life. Under the arm, I embrace the calm within me. Top of the head, I am at peace in this moment and free from anger. Okay, take a deep breath and let it out. And yeah, just go back to your body and your number and see if the number has changed, if your anger has gone up or down. And you're welcome to do this tapping as many times as you need. Anger is a process, it's a feeling, it's an emotion. Um, it is okay to feel anger. And and then, however, we sometimes do things that actually create more harm with our anger, and that's what we're working on. So I hope this made a difference for you, and I will see you next time. Take good care.